First of all, bonjour. Je m'appelle Benjamin Henrichs. Je suis content d'être ici. The rest I will do in English because I feel more comfortable. And no, I didn't speak to the coach yet, but for me, it doesn't matter which position I play. I feel comfortable on the left side, on the right side, or in midfield, and no matter where you're gonna put me or where I should play, I will play there. Yes, it's true, but for me, it was actually very clear after the first conversation with Vadim that I wanted to go to Monaco. I had a good feeling, and I also faced Monaco, and I like the way they play. Can take their next step, and I think now it's my turn to come here and to take the next step, to bring my quality into the team and to develop. Of course, I'm ready. I've played last week against Mönchengladbach, my last game for Leverkusen. I was in the starting 11, so that means that the season in Germany started, and I'm fit. Now I have my first training session after this press conference, and I'm ready.